Oh my gosh, I get here and there's this cute little bird. Where is she? What the heck? Cute little bird eating with Misty. Do I see her? I think she's right there. Yeah. And she's all not even scared of me. All eating with Misty. Like, hey, let's enjoy the grass together. She made a friend. That is so adorable. Look at that. Hi, Misty, and hi, Birdie. That is so cute. I wonder if they already know each other and they're already friends. Look how cute this is. Oh my goodness. Oh, I got some bird friends too at home. That is too adorable. And I got close and this bird's like, it's okay. I'm not scared. That is so cute. See, I'm walking closer. Oh, you like my Misty, birdie bird? You like my Misty girl? Is she nice? Is she a nice friend to you? Seems like it. Look at that. Look at that. It's like she's looking at Misty like, what am I going to do with you? I want to play with you. That is too cute. That is too adorable. It's like, are you my mommy? Are you my mommy?
No, I'm a horse. I cannot be your mommy.
Look at that. It's like she wants to be friends with Misty. Oh my gosh, I love it. She's like, I'm doing like you. I'm gonna eat some grass like you. Did you find something good over here? It is too cute. I hope you could see this good on the video. Oh my gosh, she's going close to her. Okay, I got flies all over me, man. That is too adorable. Two little friends. Aww, I have to break this friendship relationship right now. Just for today, because just for a little bit, because we got to do our. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, did you lose your mommy? Did you just lose your mommy? Oh my goodness. I can't believe how sweet this is. She likes Misty. She likes you, Misty. Okay, gosh. I wish I could just film this all day. It's too adorable. Oh my goodness. But we got to go.